Cuy, udah cuy. Iya.
Ya pun jurnal tuh.
Iya, ada jurnal tuh. Udah bukan yang Farhan Ji. Yang Farhan. Lah ya. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, this is me Farhan Ramadhan Alvarabi. In this occasion and in this chance, we'll present and we will examine about the first creation
of the universe, how the universe is created, and how the universe expanded. But connection. Okay, here we go again. Sorry for the poor connection. This is the PowerPoint I printed. The Big Bang theory. We need to know what is Big Bang actually. The Big Bang is scientific theory that the universe, the T equals minus or the zero singularity. The universe at this time is known as dense point and tiny. It was similar to supercharged black hole. About 13.7 billion years ago, this is tiny singularity violently exploded. And it is from the explosion, Big Bang, all matter such as energy, space, time were created. What happened next is that two major stages of universe evolution, called the radiation and the matter era. This era is made of smaller stages called epochs that occur within the universe for the span of thousands of years. First, we need to know what's its
the first era, the radiation era. Is the one in the first step is Planck epoch. This is the earliest Planck epoch. No matter existed in this universe at this is because of the first early time. Only energy and the ancestor, the forces of nature, the superforce. The superforce is that the gravity, strong nuclear and weak, and electromagnetic. However, a key event occurred in which gravity split away from the superforce. And you need to know this. This is very hard because it's 1040 Kelvin. Next epoch is grand unification epoch. Can you see this, right? Name for the three-dimensional unified forces of nature. This epoch ended when one of these forces, called strong and nuclear, broke away from this epoch.
This is, maybe we can visualize the way of the universe expanded. And come to inflationary epoch. Began during the universe is rapidly expanded, almost instantly grew from the size of an atom into the size of a grapefruit. This is literally a grapefruit, you know. The universe was piping hot and turned into electrons, quarks, particles. It's surprisingly events of the universe because this fundamental way of the universe is ever created. It's absolutely hot because the temperature around the 1035 Kelvin. The time is occur at 10 to the minus 36 seconds of the universe. Because this also
Happens at universe rapidly exploded, it becomes rapidly expand. And in this next, it was the electroic epoch, when the last two forces, electromagnetic and weak, finally split off,
and it create the romancy and allegedly events of the universe. And then next step it was core epoch. What is core epoch? All of the universe ingredients were present. However, the universe was still too hard and dense for the subatomic particles to form. You know what a particle of the universe is? Means that B, D, it was all are the quarks of the universe. It comes to hadron epoch. Hadron epochs, this is where the universe has calm enough to form a new particles of the universe. The universe cooled down enough for quarks to bind together to form protons and neutrons. Maybe they can visualize heat that occur in the universe. And this is the last two of epoch of the universe. Lepton and nuclear epoch. In the lepton and nuclear epochs, the radiation era's last two stages, the protons and neutrons, underwent the significant change. They fuse together and create a nuclei. This is nuclei. And in doing so, they created the first element of the universe, helium.
Helium is the first element of the universe. This is the key events and the key point of matter that is beneficial and important to the next step of key points. And this is key points of the universe, the matter era. The first matter era, it was atomic epoch. The temperature is absolutely and tremendly and massively hot, around the 3000 Kelvin, and time after the Big Bang is around
50,000 years. This is also known as recombination because this process helped create a universe second cell of hydrogen. Why? Because in the stages, universe temperature cooled down enough to electron to touch nuclei for the first time, and that's why the hydrogen formed. And the next it was galactic epoch. Galactic epoch, along with helium atoms, create the dotted universe with atomic clouds. This is a visualized atomic cloud. Within this cloud, a small pocket of gas may have a strong enough gravity to cause atoms to collect. You know, this gas has a power energy to attach an atom. And because of this, this cluster of atoms formed during the galactic epoch become the settlings of the galaxies. This is the settling of the galaxies. This is occur within because of the death and newborn of stars begin to form. It creates the universe. Our universe has many of galaxies. In our galaxies in this way, it was a Milky Way. Milky Way consists of many stars that are born and die in every second. And within that, the black hole also exists. The black hole is occur and are present because of the dead star that may live before in the strong and big enough to form a black hole. And the last of the epochs of this is that the nestled, the stellar. This nestle inside those galaxy stars began to form. In doing so, they could let us in current stage of the universe development, the stellar epoch. And this is what we see today. The galaxies. The galaxy, this is the shortest galaxies on our Milky Way. And this is the, you know what it is, right? This is predictable. Like I said before, the matter, it was hydrogen and helium. The formation of stars then caused a tremendous triple effect that helped save the universe as we know it. Heat within the stars caused the conversion of helium and hydrogen into almost all the remaining elements in the universe. In turn, with those elements we see today, become the building blocks for planets, moons, life, everything we see today. This ecosystem of everything was only possible because of many stages in universe development. Well, countless questions about the origin of the universe remain. It's only a matter of time for so long sought out answer to emerge. Okay, I think that's the explanation about the universe, explanation of theory. Do you have any question, guys? I hope that it gave smart and funny, maybe funny question to me. Go ahead, Kibar. Thank you. Yes, go ahead. Yes. Oh, there's a lot of people around here. Let's wave for all of it. Wave, 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 wave. And it was. Yeah, it is almost get that one right. Okay. Okay, the keyboard. Thank you for the question. Big Bang. What is the coolest fact about the Big Bang that people don't know? Okay, I think that's a absolutely good question. The question, what is people doesn't know about the fact of Big Bang? Okay. Do you know, like I said before, in the lepton and nuclear epochs, there's an explosion that's made a matter, right? For example,
We are made from carbon, and also Earth is made from carbon. Can you imagine, like, how could be our carbon comes from stars? We have the same form of stars, you know. We human are the same carbon of stars, and that is most beautiful facts about the Big Bang theory. Okay, that's the answer. Okay. Oh, Jelita wanna ask. Can you explain the giving stuff in easy and fun way? Of course, Jelita. It's like dove, you know dove? Dove is like tepung, tepung, tepung. And the dove we add into microwave is get large.
by large and large, right? Get larger as every time it get heat. It is same as that the dove. Is the large is get strengthened because the heat of the microwave. Same as the universe itself. The expanded not because the expanded is not outside the solar system, but it was expanded by itself. The space is expanded, same as the dove. Okay, I hope you understand, Jelita. And another question. Okay, I think that's all. Maybe no. I hope the explanation of me art is clear, but sorry for
The mistake of words and maybe the mistake of pronouns that I speak with. And maybe if you want to get to know the more information about the Big Bang, maybe you can search on Google and YouTube and search information from articles and add some relevant information from scientists, because NASA
recently upload and get it information every daily. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.